All right, the first question, please stand up. Please tell me your roll number and your name. Forty-eight. All right. How can you define communication?
Way of expressing information, source, an idea.
All right. Roll number? Somebody please write down the roll number. 48, yeah. Yes, next.
Can I do?
What is business? What do you understand by the term business letter?
Term of only
Yes, next. Stand up. ये what बोल रहा है? What do you understand by informal communication?
Informal communication is the way to communicate with your family, with your friends. This is not the official data or language.
Next. What is the difference between formal and informal communication?
Ma'am, in formal letter you have to follow the format of formal letter in which you have the nothing is mentioned illogical, and in informal letter you have don't any rule regulation in writing to for the informal.
Yes. What do you understand how business letter is different from official letter? How business letter is different from official letter? Yes, next.
हम जो नहीं बता रहे उसका एक सेकंड
डिसाइड कर दो क्रैश करो मतलब जो लोग आंसर कर रहे हैं उसका कोई नहीं है जो नहीं आंसर कर रहा है उसका ब्लैंक यस व्हाट इज द डिफरेंस बिटवीन ऑफिशियल लेटर एंड बिजनेस लेटर
And crucial information. Business letters with the information.
wrong answer next please sit down नर्वस नहीं हुई बताइए बिजनेस लेटर एंड ऑफिशियल लेटर sit down what is official letter
and official letter, non a formal letter, and business letter from one company to another company.
ऑफिशियल लेटर क्लियर नहीं हुआ sit down yes next ऑफिशियल लेटर क्या होता है
छोड़ो नहीं बस सेकंड
blank next
next
yes next what do you understand by business letter
letter written outside the organization. Written
next what do you understand by the term format आप बोल रहे समझ में नहीं आ रहा, जोर से बोलिए। I am not able to hear you. What is format? Now next. What is format? What? What pattern? Like what? Next. What is format? Something. Like flowers are arranged. Underline नहीं करना है, आगे dash. Sentence. Blank. Next. चलो ये hello. इधर इधर इधर. What is format?
Some pattern.
Sit down. Yes, yes. Next. What are the types of format you know?
Formal letter format.
What?
Not
Come again.
formatting. Formal letter
No. Next.
and
21.
Next. What is for? What are the types of format you know? क्या? What is the type of format? What are the types of formats which you know? No. Both of you sit down. Wrong answer. Yes, next. What is format? Yeah, what is format? You lost your chance. Hey, hello. यहाँ पर phone a friend नहीं यहाँ पर scope नहीं है. Okay. Format means basic introduction of a person. Sit down. Wrong answer. Next. What is format? Sit down. What is format next? अच्छा माइक्रोफोन दे दीजिए, आवाज नहीं आ रही है.
बता देना भाई.
What is format? What is format? No, 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 no. Next. आज पूरा एक क्वेश्चन है पूरा. फॉर्मेट क्या होता है? Next. What is format? Yes, what is format? क्या होता है format? Next, format. Shapes. Yes, next. Then what is format, girls? Format क्या होता है? क्या है microphone? Right order.
Format letter.
Please stand up.
Is the house side like left side or left or right? From where we have to start, left side or right? Part of the body. Format is a pattern in how to write letter, diary, this.
Then what will be the main?
Letter format, circular.
Tell me what is the format? Next. Next. What are the names? Next.
A format is the overall layout of a document.
What are the names?
Paragraph format,
Next.
format is arrangement of plan and some
Plan. Next.
format is something which is arranged or planned, which is recorded, printed, everything.
Well, we don't take it from the-
मैम क्वेश्चन बदल दी
Arrange or set out.
I'm arranging your books for you.
आगे बढ़ा
I'm arranging your books for you. That's the problem. Next.
90 हाँ
I'm asking all answer, but that's all.
बता दी
Some arrange or set.
I'm arranging my laptop and all. Format. Next. Anybody else? 15 लोग बैठ रहे हैं. क्या होता है format? What is the format? नहीं पता है. So nobody knows the answer. Microphone do. So nobody could answer what is the format. Format is a letter writing style. There are three types of formats. The block style, The semi-block style and modified block. ये समझ में क्यों नहीं आ रहा? Format सही, style सही बोलना है. Formats are styles of letter writing, namely block style, semi-block, and modified. Very bad, very bad. Whatever content which is there in your book, एक मेरा बात सुनिए, उसको आप जरूर पढ़िएगा. Please read the content in your book. First chapter, page number 1, उसको पढ़िए आप. अगर आप नहीं पढ़ेंगे तो you will be answering like this only. All right, can anybody answer? What is the difference between letterhead and heading? What here?
ये मेरा टर्न तो हो गया.
Very good. तो हम क्वेश्चन पूछेंगे 20 पर क्वेश्चन.
लेटर अरे हिंदी
Roll number. What is a letterhead? If you do not know the answer, give the mic to somebody else.
when the person writes a name, address, dollar comes under the letter.
I'm writing your name and address over here. This is the letterhead.
No.
Okay. What is the difference between letterhead and heading?
Letter company का नाम.
Email ID of company
names and headings
and contact number of and heading is only for sender name and
receiver and receiver address.
What is inside address?
Receiver address is public address.
address of
It is called the recipient's address. What is PS and why is it important?
yes
What is PS and what is the difference between PS and NB?
Yes, but it's not a letter, it's the word.
yes post script is
Something about the writing on a topic. Ask something else on a topic. Like
If you write on the topic, if you write something else on the topic. What is this?
that topic.
What kind of answer is this? Huh?
Yes, yes.
How many parts are there in a paragraph in a body of the letter? What are they?
Introduction, body part.
What is in the body part? What will you write in the first part? What is the importance of subject line? Heading of the letter.
But it is the brief statement of the letter. Ma'am, it is the brief statement of the letter. Ma'am, body के अंदर आता identification. What is what?
What do you understand by the term salutation?
Salutations and greetings.
Thank you, ma'am. You are so, oh my God. That is complimentary clothes. What is copy circulation?
I'm sending this letter to someone else.
Like,
Like I'm writing letter. I want to send it to you. My friend. But I write your address and they will write it.
what is the difference between CC, copy circulation, and blind copy circulation?
And
We can hide from.
Yes. In blind,
yes,
Whatever you are taught, please revise for your exams. Condition is like hopeless. You are not studying at all. 60.
60. Yes. 06.
ऐसा भी क्वेश्चन आएगा कि सीसी को क्या कहते हैं, इसको क्या कहते हैं।
हाँ हाँ
चलिए तब तो ठीक है। हम तो शुरू से